Are you speaking the secret language of high ticket buyers? I mean, the $1 million question is, what makes these discerning buyers hit that buy button? For over the past 7 years, I've been helping female entrepreneurs grow their sales with high ticket offers. So most coaches talk about selling low ticket offers, and there's a few coaches who talk about selling high ticket offers. Where I help my clients enroll people into their offer of $25,000 or more in a single sales conversation. So here's the thing. Your offer is not catered to high ticket buyers. That might be an ouch, that might be an amen, that might be both. What I'm saying is you are not selling what they want to buy. I remember about 2 years ago, I created a new offer, and it was a big offer for me because historically I've been selling 90-day coaching programs, 6-month coaching programs, and year-long coaching programs. And I decided to sell a 1-hour coaching program, just like 1 hour. You want a sales strategy, we can meet for an hour and let's get it going. And I came up with this offer because I'd helped a client. We had a single sales conversation, one coaching session, and from the strategy we laid out, she generated $22,000 worth of sales working 6 hours that month. And so I said, why don't I just make it a single session? Now, this felt like a huge offer for me because I priced it at $1,000. And in my mind, it just felt like a really big offer. Mind you, at the time, I had 90-day programs that were $12,000 offers, $15,000 offers, $25,000, $30,000 offers. But this offer just felt really, really big. And I went to the market to sell it, and guess what? No one bought it. And the reason no one bought it is because I wasn't selling what they wanted to buy. And so I had to come back to the drawing board. Honestly, I had to work on my mindset. And I then repositioned the offer and I catered to high ticket buyers, and I made $8,000. Yeah, 8 hours of coaching. Wow. It was the same offer, but I positioned it. I sold what high ticket buyers want to buy. I just want to share with you what I did. Listen, if you want to learn more strategies, more principles on selling high ticket offers, you definitely want to subscribe to Althea TV. Go ahead and hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a single episode. What you need to do for high ticket buyers to hit that buy button is you need to sell, not what you want to sell. You need to sell what they want to buy. Write that down, write that in the chat. I need to sell not what I want to sell. I have to sell what high ticket buyers want to buy. And today I'm going to share with you 6 things that high ticket buyers want to buy so that you can start catering and crafting your offer, repositioning your offer to sell to high ticket buyers. Number 1, the top thing that high ticket buyers buy, and I got my notes here, is they buy back their time. Repeat it with me. They buy back their time. What does that mean? High ticket buyers want to buy offers that don't require a lot of contact time with them, right? They want to get the results that they want. They want the pleasure that they desire, but they don't want unnecessary contact time. Man, I just hired a new CPA last year, and he keeps on blowing my mind because he gets the same results as my previous CPA, and I have less contact time with him. It's every time I'm man, he just gets it. And I always compliment him. He's well, I understand, busy people, their time is precious. I'm you got it. So number 1, they buy back their time. Number 2, they buy the best option, not the cheapest option. Listen, none of us think that the best option is the cheapest and the cheapest option is the best. That's just not how we think, right? That's just human psychology. And high ticket buyers, they want the best option. And so you could be hurting yourself by trying to make it the cheapest option when what you're really doing is you're repelling high ticket buyers and attracting low ticket buyers. So what do they buy? They buy the best option, not the cheapest option. Number 4, they buy to get the results that they want quicker, faster, easier, more effectively than they could on their own. I talk about that high ticket buyers are leaders. If they could have gotten this result done, they would have. But they realize, listen, I want to get this done to the best of my ability efficiently, right? I don't want to struggle. So just remember that they're looking to get the results done quicker, faster, easier, and more effectively than they could on their own. They buy investments. They don't look at things as expenses. They look at things, so they're looking at your offer, they're looking at your service and saying, can that help me make more money? When I invest in this, will it make me more money? Will it make my money more money? So they look to invest, right? And so it's really important that you effectively communicate how your offer and how your product is going to help them make more money, okay? Because in the face of value, price doesn't matter. When you are able to effectively communicate how the value of your offer, price doesn't matter. This one may surprise you or not. We've done it all the time. We see it all the time. They buy proximity. So high ticket buyers want to have proximity. They want to have access to people who are going to inspire them, who are going to challenge them, who are going to help them think differently, who are going to help them get to the next level. This is why you see there's like VIP, there's always VIP options. In fact, I'm getting ready. I'm super excited. I have plans for next February to reignite a hobby of mine, and the tickets, they have the VIP access, right? High ticket buyers, they buy for proximity, they buy for access, not just because, so that they can be inspired, be challenged, okay? L'Oreal has been telling us this. L'Oreal has known this, right? This is the last one. High ticket buyers buy because they believe that they are worth it. L'Oreal always says, because you're worth it. L'Oreal understands in its marketing, it's like telling us, like, buy this mascara, buy this because you're worth it. Because L'Oreal understands that high ticket buyers have belief in themselves. They're operating from a wealthy mindset, not a poverty mindset, which has nothing to do with money. Wealth mindset has nothing to do with the money in your pocket, the money in your purse, the money in your wallet, the money in your account, the money in your investments. It's a mindset. It's an atmosphere, if I can say it that way, right? And they buy because they believe that they are worth it. Bottom line, if you want to have high ticket buyers hit the buy button on your offer, you have to sell what they want to buy. The way that low ticket buyers buy is quite different than the way that high ticket buyers buy. And when you are speaking the secret language to high ticket buyers, you will find that you will make more money without working harder. And I really want to help you understand this. That's why I'm inviting you to join me in my next Grow Your Sales Challenge. This is my 5-day immersive training that's going to help you grow your sales faster. Let me ask you a question. Would you like to 10x your fees without losing clients? In fact, just recently, last week, I received a message from a client with a check, a client who 100x'd their fees with the same client. If you said yes, then you are going to love the Grow Your Sales Challenge. So let me share a little bit with you. You can go to growyoursalschallenge.com to sign up. That's growyoursalschallenge.com to sign up. So day one is all about mindset secrets. I'm going to share how you should think about sales, the truth about sales, so that you sell your way to wealth. Day two is all about positioning secrets, so that you can position yourself to be found by people who want to buy and are ready to buy what you have to sell. Day three is all about selling secrets, and this is about selling to people who value your expertise, right? And this is about you owning the value of your offer and presenting the value of your offer and selling to people who are ready to buy your offer. And then day four is where we get into the multiply profit secrets. This is all about pricing, and I'm going to share with you proven strategies on how you can 10x your fees without losing clients. And I'm going to share with you more about selling high ticket offers. And then day five, we bring it home, we bring everything together, and these are closing secrets, right? Like, this is where you've got to learn how to have people say yes to your offer. And I'm going to share with you my proven framework so that you can have big paydays every sales conversation. I'm going to share with you how you can have people to say yes to your highest level offer in a single sales conversation. This happened for Natalie, this happened for Dr. June, this happened for Ash, it's happened for so many, and I want it to happen for you too. So go to growyoursalschallenge.com, that's growyoursalschallenge.com, and choose the ticket level that's best suited for you. Whether that's only spending an hour with me a day or 2 hours with me a day, it's going to be amazing. I can't wait for us to be on this journey together to bust through and break through the fears, the doubts, the frustrations, and get to your next level of sales success. Go ahead to growyoursalschallenge.com and let's go grow your sales so that you can serve more people, right? You can make more money, you can have more time, and have more freedom in your business. I can't wait to see you inside. So if you've enjoyed this video, can you go ahead and share it with other people who are like, how can I get high ticket buyers to say yes to my offer? Like, who are not understanding the secret language of high ticket buyers. We need more female entrepreneurs like us to have this information, okay? Until then, take care. God bless. I can't wait to see you in the challenge. And I love you. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we release a new video. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Go to altheamcintyre.com to get your free training on the 7 biggest sales mistakes that keep you from 7 figures.